Hello everybody, welcome to E Prime for this evening. I am Daedran. Nepotism doesn't exist. That is according to Rohan Marley, son of reggae legend Bob Marley. Speaking exclusively with People magazine on Sunday, the entrepreneur stated that for him, nepotism doesn't exist. You are what you are. Legacy exists. Bloodline exists, but you have to do it for yourself. He added that you really have to take on that teaching, take on the responsibility. It's not just because my dad is Bob, that's why I am how I am. He went on to say that in the case of him and his siblings, they chose to listen to their father, and though he is not the end-all and be-all, he is the beginning. Now, Popcorn unveils top acts for Unruly Fest 2023. Popcorn, in a post over the weekend, revealed the acts for his Popcorn and Friends concert. The event, scheduled for December, will see performances from international superstar 5-Year Foreign, along with dancehall heavyweights including Skillibeng, Najeri, and Iwayne. Now, still on some Popcorn news, the Unruly Boss cancels his London leg of the European tour. In a statement today from Unruly Entertainment, Popcorn's Great Is He tour, which was set for Europe and the United Kingdom, has been changed to only Europe. The release explained that the show at the O2 Arena in London had to be cancelled due to a former team member failing to meet critical milestones. Unruly Entertainment is investigating the incident and says it aims to prevent future occurrences. Now, Rihanna is back. Or is she? According to Mirror UK, Rihanna is planning a huge comeback with a world tour and 2 albums. The comeback tour is slated for 2024-25 after signing a £32 million deal with Live Nation. She has 2 albums worth of music to release and is working on a tour while raising her family in Los Angeles. Rihanna is not rushing to get back to work though, as she has become a billionaire and the world's richest female musician due to the success of her cosmetics brand Fenty Beauty. In 2022, Rihanna released her first new song in over 5 years for the Black Panther Wakanda Forever movie. The song Lift Me Up was nominated for an Oscar for Best Original Song. Now, Lauryn Hill postpones a show following doctor's order. In a social media post yesterday, Hill penned that she was disappointed to write the note, but on the advice of her physician, she has no choice but to postpone the show. The cancellation affects the Philadelphia leg of the Miss Education tour. However, Hill told fans that the show has already been rescheduled for November, promising that it will be a special one. That's it for E Prime this evening. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.